Hello, welcome everyone. Muna ma kowa barka da zuwa wannan page na mu mai albarka. So this is another sub-problem, and it is from what? Chemistry. And the question is very, very simple. We extracted from a what? JAM past questions. So the question is very straightforward. Question in kawai bata da wata sarkakiya is very straightforward and it is very simple. Kuma tana da sauki. All you are expected to do just to find the oxidation number of what? Of chromium in potassium heptaoxodichromate. Yes, this is the compound. They just want you to find the oxidation number or the oxidation state of this chromium. All you need to do is to recall the rules governing the oxidation number. Abin da kawai ke bukata kai shine ka tuna dokokin da suke jagorantar oxidation number. Rule number 1. An element in its pre-state. An element in its pre-state has an oxidation number of 0. For instance, if you have a sodium just like this, it is neither ions and it is not in combination with other metals. So the oxidation number is what? Is 0. Like what again? But the oxidation number for monoatomic ions, that is ions containing how many atoms? 1 atoms of element. We call them monoatomic ions. The charge of the ion, that is the oxidation number of the ion. Idan kuma ion, sai da mana cewa atom da ɗaya yake ɗauke da shi misali Cl-, misali Fe2+. Dukkansu ions ne. Atom ɗaya ne, nan atom of ion, nan atom of what? Chlorine. To charge shi shine oxidation number. Misali anan, what is the oxidation number of chloride ion here? -1. What is the oxidation number of ion 2 here? +2. That is what we mean. Yes. Suppose you have this again, ion 3. 1 atom, charge is +3. So the oxidation number is what? +3. That is the next rule. The next rule says that the sum of the oxidation numbers of atoms in polyatomic ions is exactly equal to the charge of the ions. Abin da yake nufi shine cewa idan kana da ions misali wannan tetraoxosulfate 6 ion yana da atom fiye da ɗaya. To abin da rubin ya ce idan ka tara oxidation number na waɗannan atoms ɗin da ke ciki zai baka exactly charge of these ions. Abin da ake nufi kenan. Idan ka tara oxidation number of this, it will give you exactly the charge of the what? The charge of the ions. That is it. And for neutral compound, that is compound new and the basically charge, they have no charge. And they are not in the form of ions. Like what? Hydrogen chloride. This is a compound. So the rule says the sum of oxidation numbers of atoms in a neutral compound is always equal to 0. The sum of oxidation numbers of atoms of element in the neutral compound is always equal to 0. Abin da rulin ke cewa shine idan ka samu compound sai ka ɗauko oxidation numbers na atom na element ɗin da ke ciki da ka tara automatic da ka samu 0. And the oxidation number of oxygen is what? -2. Except in peroxide. Except in peroxide. Example, H2O2. What is it? What? Peroxide. She why it is what? Why it is -1. In peroxide, the oxidation number of oxygen always is -2. Amma akwai exception. Ban da cikin peroxide. Misali shi ne wannan hydrogen peroxide wanda ake kunshi da shi. So another oxidation number of oxygen is what? Is -1. And the oxidation number of hydrogen is +1. Except in metallic hydride. So like this. Group 1 element that is alkali metal have an oxidation number of what? +1. So let's proceed. So what is the oxidation state of what? Chromium in potassium heptaoxodichromate. So let's begin by saying let the oxidation state of chromium be equal to X. Let the oxidation state of chromium be equal to what? X. So this implies that this is potassium. And potassium is an alkali metal. It is in group what? 1. Since it is in group 1, it has an oxidation number of what? +1. So the oxidation number of potassium is what? 1. Because of this subscript, some of the one subscript will you multiply by that subscript, which is what? 2. Plus, what is the oxidation state of chromium? We don't know. We let it to be what? X. So we take what? X times, the subscript is what? 2 plus, what is the oxidation number of oxygen in this case? Is -2. Then multiply by what? The subscript side. This is equal to what? 0. Haka rule ɗin yake. Idan muka tara oxidation numbers na atoms na element da ke cikin neutral compound za mu samu 0. So this is equal to what? 0. So this implies that 1 times 2 is 2 plus x times 2, 2x plus, what do we have here? -2 times 7. We have -14, which is equal to 0. So we are solving for what? We are solving for x. So this implies that we have what? 2 plus what? 2x plus times minus is minus. Is equal to 0. So we can rearrange. This side we have what? 2x plus what? 2 minus what? 14 is equal to 0. We just rearrange. The sign of this 2 will not change because I've not taken it to that side. So I decided to rearrange before I did the collections. Now I get rearranging the campaign in the collection like that. So we have what? 2x. 2 minus 14 is what? Minus 12. This is equal to 0. So what are you going to do? We collect the like terms. So what we have? 2x is equal to this minus 12 will come to 0 plus 12 is what? 12. So I'm looking for what? X. So I have to divide both sides by what? 2. So when you divide both sides by 2. So I have 2x divided by 2 is equal to 12 divided by 2. So 2 goes 2. Therefore x is equal to what? 6. And it is what? Positive. So therefore what? Therefore the what? The oxidation state. The oxidation state of what? Chromium in what? Potassium is what? Is plus 6. So how can we name this? This is dipotassium heptaoxo dichromate 6. That is the oxidation number of chromium is plus 6 since we found it to be positive. Positive, so that is, we write 6 like that. So that is the end of this problem. As you can see, it is very easy. It has no any confusion or something like that. Thank you very much.